and K-Bay. So did they pay you to do these shirts? What's the deal? Tell me, come on.
We just wanted to be here. We love these guys.
We love these guys. Did you love their run or did you?
It is amazing. Best run of the day.
Best run of the day. Now your clock had no wings. So let's just give it up for 5 guys and 1 clap. One more time.
Yep, we are up here with Team Grease Light. You know, I have seen a lot of guys in speedos and underwear this year, but I have to say it is nice to see some self-described greasers. Is this correct?
That is correct, as a matter of fact. We are greasers, motorcycle enthusiasts, a couple of guys from South Philadelphia, just trying to compete with the big boys that came out from all over the tri-state area and beyond.
So a South Philly team, and this thing looks pretty impressive. Is it going to fly?
Oh, you know it's going to fly. It's a 10-foot long cheesesteak with a 30-foot wingspan.
Keeping it real, have fun.
Watch Grease Lightning!
So many little details, so little time, and so few feet flown. I'm gonna guess about 10 feet.
Okay. Almost off the side. Oh, the wheel broke! The wheel broke! No! Keep going!
Let's get a little crowd motivation! Come on, folks! Let's get going!
Pick it up! Pick it up! In the water! Pick it up!
So I've done 16 of these events. I've never seen that happen. That's actually negative 15 feet. That's worse than 0. That's negative energy. I haven't seen that either.
The cheesesteak is still on the deck right now.
I kind of want to assume
Honk your horns out!